What are you doing there, little Binks? Hey? Little Binky Bright Flower? Serving some fashion? Who's that little girl? What's going on with your ears? Hey, what's going on with your ears? Really good girl. Really good girl. Oh. What you got there, Nenny? What you got there? What you got there? Is that a little spaceship? Oh, that a Binky Bright Flower. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on, little Binky Bright Flower. Look at that. Are you a good boy, Oberon? Are you a good boy? Look at that little face. That little face looking for trouble. Hey. Girl. What you doing, Bobby Moisture? Who's that? Who that little girl? Little crinkle ears. Hey, little crinkle ears. Good girl. What are you doing there, little Binks? Hey? Little Binky Bright Flower? Serving some fashion? What's going on? Oh, she's giving us a 360. You such a silly little girl. What are you doing?